Now see question number 7. If a equal to 2 and b equal to 3, find the value of number 1 a plus b whole square, b minus a whole cube, a into b whole a, and a into b whole b. So this is the questions you have to find the value of. Now first question number 1 is a plus b whole square. This question a plus b whole square. Now put the value of a is 2 and b is 3. So in place of a we will write 2 and in place of b we will write 3. Now add these two. 2 plus 3 it becomes 5 and its power is 2. That means 5 we have to write 2 times and multiply. So 5 into 5 equal to 25. This is the answer for this question. Second question, b minus a and its power is 3. So in place of b we will write 3 because it is given b equal to 3, and in place of a it will be 2. So after minusing 3 minus 2 we get 1. Now write 1 3 times and multiply it. So 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1. So this is the answer. Number 3, question number 3, a into b and its power is a. Now put the value of a and b. So a power is a's value is 2 and b's value is 3. Here we have to write the value of a. Say already it is given a equal to 2, so we will write here 2. Now it's become like this, 2 into 3 to the power 2. Now multiply 2 into 3 we get 6 and 6 power is 2. That means we have to write 6 2 times and multiply it. So 6 into 6 equal to 36. So this is the answer for this question. Now question number 4, same, a into b and its power is b. Now here a's value is 2 and b's value is 3 and b's value is 3 here. So 2 into 3 it becomes 6 and its power is 3. That means we have to write 6 3 times and multiply it. So 6 into 6 into 6, after multiplying this 3 6 we get 216. So this is the answer for this question. Now question number 8, express number 1 1024 as a power of 2. Second question is 343 as the power of 7, 729 as the power of 3. So this is the question we have to find out, express its power. Now question number 1, see, 1024 as the power of 2. Now factorize this with prime factor method. We get 1024 divided by 2 we get 512. 512 divided by 2 we get 256. Again 256 divided by 2 we get 128. 128 divided by 2 we get 64. 64 divided by 2 we get 32. 32 divided by 2 we get 16. 16 divided by 2 we get 8. 8 divided by 2 we get 4. 4 divided by 2 we get 2. 2 divided by 2 we get 1. Now like this, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 times 2 is appearing. So we will write the factors of 1024 is 2 into 2 10 times. That means in exponential form we will write 2 as a common base and its power is 10. So it will be 2 to the power 10. This is the answer for this question. Now see question number 2, 343 as a power of 7. Now same, we have to factorize this 343 by prime factor method. So it's dividing by 7. So after dividing by 7 we get 49. 49 divided by 7 it gets 7 and 7 divided by 7 we get 1. Now here 3 times 7 is appearing. So we can say 300 factors of 343 is 7 into 7 into 7. Here 3 times 7 is appearing. 7 is the common, so we will make it base 7 and 3 times 7 is appearing, so power is 3. So this is the answer for this question. Now question number 3, 729 as the power of 3. So 729 we will divide it by 3, we get 243. 243 divided by 3 we get 81. 81 divided by 3 we get 27. 27 divided by 3 we get 9. 9 divided by 3 we get 3 and 3 divided by 3 we get 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3 is appearing. The factor of 729 is 6 times 3. So here common base will be 3 and 6 times 3 is appearing, so its power will be 6. So this is the answer for this question, 3 to the power 6. Now see question number 9. Question number 9 is, if 27 into 32 is equal to 3 to the power x into 2 to the power y, find the value of x and y. So here we have to find the value of this x and this y. Now see, 27 into 32 is equal to x, 3 to the power x into 2 to the power y. Question is given. So let 27 is equal to 3x, 27 is equal to 3x, 32 is equal to 2y. So we will write here 27 equal to 3x and 32 equal to 2y. Now factorize this 27, 32. 27 divided by 3 9 times, 9 divided by 3 times, 3 divided by 3 1 times. Like this, 32 divided by 2 16 times, 16 divided by 2 8 times, 8 divided by 2 4 times, 4 divided by 2 2 times, 2 divided by 2 is 1 time. Now we can see here 3 times appearing, so we will write 3 to the power 3, and 2 is appearing 5 times, so we will write 2 to the power 5. Now here 27 into 32, that is 3 to the power x into 2 to the power, it's given in the question. Now by putting the values, 27 it's 3 to the power 3 and 32 is 2 to the power 5. Now see, 3 here is also 3 and x here, and this power is 3, so we can say that x is equal to 3. Same, 2 is the base, and here also we can see 2 is the base and y is the its power. So here in place of y it's 5, so we can say y equal to 5. So here we can see x is equal to 3 and y equal to 5. This is the answer for this question. Now see question number 10. It's similar to question number 9. If 64 into 625 is equal to 2 to the power a into 5 to the power b, find the value of a and b, and also find the value of 2 to the power b into 5 to the power a. So it's question number 9. So see, question number 1, the value of a and b. Here 64 into 625 is equal to 2 to the power a and 5 to the power b. So we will write here, let 64 is equal to 2 to the power a and 625 is equal to 5 to the power b. Now after factorizing this, we get 64 divided by 2 32, 32 divided by 2 we get 16, 16 divided by 2 8, 8 divided by 2 4, 4 divided by 2 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And like this, 625 divided by 5 we get 125, 125 divided by 5 we get 25, 25 divided by 5 we get 5, and 5 divided by 5 we get 1. So we can see here 2 is appearing 6 times, so we will write 2 to the power 6, and 5 appearing 4 times, so 5 to the power 4. Now in place of 64 we can write 2 to the power 6, and in place of 625 we can write 5 to the power 4. It's equal to 2 to the power a into 5 to the power b. So we can see common base 2 and 2, and in place of a its power is 6, so we can say a equal to 6. Same, 5 common base, and in place of b it's appearing 4, so b equal to 4. So this is the answer, a equal to 6 and b equal to 4. This is the answer for first question. Now we will see 2 to the power b into 5 to the power a. So here 2 to the power b into 5 to the power a. Now we will put the value of a equal to 6 and b equal to 4. So by putting the value of a equal to 6 and b equal to 4 in this question, we get the answer. So here 2 to the power 4, in place of b we can write 4, and in place of a we can write 6. So we know that here we have to write 2 4 times, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and here 5 we have to write 6 times, so 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now multiply these 2 4 times, we get 16, and multiply 5 this 5 times, we get 15,625. Now after multiplying 16 into 15,625, we get 2,50,000. So this is the answer for this question. Hope it's clear. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.